Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix NordVPN account limit reach error. So, as you can see here, this method is not working. So, what you need to do is this one. You need to talk to the chatbot on NordVPN help site, and then it will lead you to a live agent. They will ask for a sort of transaction ID, example this one. Then when you provide them with that info, they will solve the problem for you. May not be a fix all, but it was effortless and 100% back to normal within minutes of the conversation. So simply go to their chatbot, then talk to a live agent, then give all of the details that they're asking and let them fix it. And that's basically it.